Hello investors, my name is Dahan. Welcome back to number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at three altcoins to buy on this dip as the market has been taking a pullback today. So the market is down about 3% in the past 24 hours. Our top gainers in the past 24 hours, as you guys can see, only 2.56%, and it's going to be on Celio. So right here, that one's trading at $2.91. Highest volume, like usual, is going to be Bitcoin right here. So Bitcoin is trading right under 33,000 right now. It is actually down about 3.3%. Ethereum trading right above that 2,000 area, down about 5.69%. Then we have Binance Coin down about 3.7%. Cardano down 3.3%. Ripple down about 3%. Doge is right around that 20 cents area and down about 4.5% or so. Then we have the rest of the altcoins that are down between, 3, 4, 5%. Some of them a little bit more, some of them a little bit less. Obviously, it's a lot of blood in the streets, like you guys might say, and you know what that means. When everybody is scared, that's when you're going to be buying those dips. And right now could be that dip buying opportunity with the little bit of a sell-off that we're seeing going into this weekend. So right now, let's get into these altcoins. But before we get into them, guys, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 50 plus likes on this video. I know you guys can do it. Let's go for 37,000 subscribers. We're almost there. So subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time we make a new video. And as always, if you want to sign up for Webull and get your 2 free stocks valued at up to $2,300, links are going to be in the description for that as well. And leave a comment below, what crypto are you buying right now on this dip opportunity? So the first altcoin, we're going to be looking at altcoins that have been taking the hardest hit, I guess you could say, because we don't want to buy coins that are green or the coins that are, flat, because we're not getting a deal. So we're going to be looking at coins that have been, hit hard and give us some good buying opportunities. And the first one is going to be Internet Computer, so ICP. This one is down about 6%. It was trading at $40 earlier on Sunday-ish. And then on Monday, came back down all the way down to about $35 or so. Then we saw a little bit of a comeback towards the end of the day. Market cap 5.1 billion, volume in the past 24 hours at 126.2 million. The circulating supply is around 136.9 million. Now, Internet Computer is a utility token that allows users to participate in the govern the Internet Computer blockchain network. The network aims to help developers create websites, enterprise IT systems, internet services, and DeFi applications by installing their code directly to the public internet. ICP can also be staked or converted into cycles that can be used to power computation for dApps and traditional applications as well. So if we take a look here on the past week, Internet Computer is down about 20%, guys. In the past month, down about 39%. And then on the 1 year chart, this coin is still up 319%. It's had a crazy ride, guys. So let's take a quick look. It was trading at around $9, went up here to highs of about over $750 on beginning of May, and then we just saw it, plummet back down to earth and continue to go lower and lower. I mean, we're trading at prices right now that we were trading around January, February time period, so we have made a huge pullback. But obviously, right here, it was doing very well around this $200 area. Then we saw the green coins explode, and this one exploded with it, and then it came right back down. And then from that area, continue to go down even lower and lower. So right now, what everybody's looking for with Internet Computer is obviously for it to find this consolidation stability, area. And as long as we can find that area and finally, get that trend on higher, there's plenty of potential for this one, because this one was close to, it was, I believe, actually over 100 billion market cap, and now we're only at about 5.1 billion market cap. So it's taking a heavy beating, guys, and that could signal, good opportunity for us for the future. So something that we're going to be looking forward to for the next 5, 10, 15, or potentially even 20 years ahead. So definitely Internet Computer is one to add to your radar. Now the number 2 is going to be Tron. So Tron TRX is trading at around 6 cents right now. It was trading at around 6.29 right here earlier in Sunday. It is down about 3% right now in the past 24 hours. Market cap on this one is at 4.3 billion. In the past week is down 6.8%, past month 11%, and then in the 1 year chart, the coin is up 243% from lows of about 1 penny, 1.5 pennies right there. It was worth around 0.0176. Went up here to highs of about 17 or 18 cents in April. Then we continue to see it bounce back to about 15 cents, and then it sold off all the way down to about 6 or 7 cents, and we've been in this range for pretty much the past 2 months now, and we've been in pretty much in the whole crypto space. We're seeing a similar pattern. Most of these coins have been in the same range between the last month or two. Now some of them obviously are breaking out of that range and continue to go higher, and there's some that continue to go lower and lower actually. So it's not every single one of them, but most of the crypto is following the same pattern. Now volume on this one is 626.9 million in the past 24 hours. Now TRX or Tronix is a cryptocurrency running on the Tron blockchain. Its goal is to create a decentralized internet, so that is their goal. Circulating supply 71.7 billion coins, and that is an explanation of why the coin is trading at such a low price with the market cap at 4.3 billion. There is a lot of room for growth for this one in the future as well, and it's another coin that we're going to keep an eye on to see how it's going to perform. Obviously, if you got into this coin last year at about 1 or 2 cents, you're up about 200%. So if you invested $1,000, you'd be up about $2,000 on, profit pretty much on Tron. So definitely opportunities out there, guys. You just have to find them and grab them before everybody else does. So our number 3 altcoin is going to be Aave. So Aave, definitely one of those green coins that we love on the channel. We love to talk about this one a lot lately. So this one is down about 7%. This one's getting hit even harder, guys, and that's why we're adding it. It was trading at 320 here on Sunday, pulled back down all the way to about 291 where it's at right now. So it's continuing to go lower. It might even go lower than this. So in the past week, it's down about 5.5%. Past month, it's actually up about 4.4% from lows down here of about 169, 170. And then on the 1 year chart, this coin is up over 56,000%, guys. This coin was trading at around 50 cents in October when it came out, and went up to highs actually up here of about 670%. At that point, this coin was up about 100,000%, which is just insane to think about. I mean, if you would have just bought one coin, you would have been up $670, for about a 50-cent investment, which is just insanity in my opinion. 50 cents, that's like, let's say like a bus fare for a day. So if you didn't go to work or something and you didn't buy that bus fare and you invested 50 cents into Aave, you would have been up $670 in May here, which is just insane. Less than a year, and you would have made some, massive gains. And even now at $300, that's still a great return from 50 cents in my opinion. Now, this one has been trading around this 290, 350 area pretty much actually since February. Then we saw it explode on higher all the way to 670 and now pull back down and continue to go lower. But we're still trading at, same price that we were in February. So, there's nothing wrong with this one. Obviously, it was a little bit overbought and now it's consolidating here a little bit for a while actually now for about 2 months. But that is normal. We want to see this continue to go here, and we'll see what happens in the next few months, obviously. Now, the market cap on this one is at 3.8 billion. The volume in the past 24 hours in this coin is 392.7 million. And if we take a look down here, actually, Aave is a Ethereum token that powers Aave, a decentralized non-custodial money market protocol where users can participate as depositors or borrowers. Depositors provide liquidity to the market to earn a passive income, while borrowers are able to borrow cryptocurrencies in exchange for paying a variable interest rate. So Aave, definitely an interesting coin that we want to add to our radar and see how it's going to perform throughout the rest of 2021. We see big things ahead of Aave in the future, obviously at 3.8 billion market cap. This one could easily have a 10x opportunity for the next, couple of years, obviously 5 to 10 years out. We definitely see this one trading at maybe even $1,000 per coin or so, potentially even higher. And that's definitely something we are very interested in because we want to make some, gains on them. So Bitcoin, like we said, guys, since we're done with these altcoins, let's take a look at these bigger coins and see what's going on. Like we said, Bitcoin took this dip from 34,500 all the way down to about lows of about 32,500. So about a $2,000 drop that we saw here. Nothing crazy, obviously, but in the crypto world, all these pullbacks, so everybody has their eyes on it to see what's going to happen the rest of the week. Obviously, in the past week, it's down about 2.5%, past month, 7%. And then on the 1 year chart, the coin is still up 255%. It's been trading in this range for 2 months now, around this 32 to 35,000 area, potentially even closer to 38,000. Market cap at 620.9 billion. So we've been bouncing back and forth, guys. We're gonna have to keep an eye out on it, see what Bitcoin is going to do and what the rest of the altcoins are going to do. Obviously, Ethereum now broke under 2,000, like we were just looking at. It was trading at above 2,000. Now it just broke under it, so we are a little bit lower than where we were just before we started recording this video. So Ethereum was trading at around 2150. Now it's at under 2,000. It's down about 7%, guys. So Ethereum making a bigger pullback. So if you guys notice here, Bitcoin is holding steady. Meanwhile, Ethereum continues to go lower, and we would love to buy Ethereum at under 1500. Anything under 1500 is just a steal in my opinion, because we know that Ethereum has a lot more potential in the future to reach $10,000 per coin or even higher in the next 10-20 years. So definitely a great buying opportunity in my opinion. But I'm not a financial advisor, guys, so this is all for entertainment purposes. Before investing, make sure you speak to your financial advisor and do your own due diligence, because the volatility in these cryptos is crazy, and this is just my opinion. So market cap 236 billion. I could easily see doing this, doing a 5x and getting to that $10,000 per coin in the next couple of years. So right now in the past week, it's down about 9%, past month 16%, and then on the 1 year chart, it's actually up 732% from about 240 all the way up to about 2,000 right now, with the peak being at 4,400 here. But once again, we're trading in this range for the past month or two. Same pattern as Bitcoin, same pattern as the rest of the crypto. They're all following the same pattern. Now, Doge is right around 20 cents right now, down about 6% actually, and I think Doge is just going to continue to go. We've consistently talked about this in our videos. We think that Doge is going to continue to go lower and lower. Once we go under 15 cents, then we have to look towards that 13 or 10 cents area. Once it breaks through that, it's game over for Doge. I think, guys, it was just so much hype in this meme coin, and a lot of people are still bag holding because they believe that some magical fairy is going to come and sprinkle dust and bring back Doge back up to $1. It's never going to happen, in my opinion. I don't think Doge is going to go to $1. It's just going to continue to go lower and lower. It's down 6%. Down in the past week, it's down 12%. In the past month, 34%. And then on the 1 year chart, obviously, it's still up green. But if you guys just take a look here, from 30 cents, it just continued to go lower and lower, and it's continued to go lower. So I think Doge, it's game over for Doge, guys. So I feel sorry for anybody that's still bag holding. There's been many opportunities to get out here in May 14th and even here in June 2nd when we had a pop on higher. If you still haven't gotten out, I don't know what to tell you. You guys could have got out, but if you didn't, maybe there's some hope for you in the future. But in my opinion, I don't think Doge is ever going to go back to where it was again. All these sales is a good opportunity for any dip buyers for the long term that believe in crypto for the next 10 to 15 years. So anybody buying on these dips, leave a comment below letting me know what crypto are you buying on the dip right now, and how much of the cryptos do you own in your portfolio. Are you holding your crypto, or are you selling off, or are you just chilling out on the sideline with cash in hand waiting for even cheaper prices? I know a lot of people are waiting for Ethereum under 1500, and they're waiting for Bitcoin to go under that 30,000 area and potentially go even lower. So guys, if you made it this far in the video, smash that like button for me, subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification to get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, if you want to sign up for Webull and get your 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300, links will be in the description. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.